Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can share what games you're playing on Discord. Go to user settings, go to activity, and where is that? Hold on. Activity and privacy. Make sure this is enabled and make sure this is also enabled. And when you open up a game, so I'm just going to open up Valorant real quick. It'll show that you're playing Valorant on Discord, and you can share, right, or whatever. It'll show here or up here that I'm playing Valorant. I'm just gonna show you what it'll look like. So you can see some of my friends are playing Valorant right now, and it's going to look like that. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!